Hey, hello, welcome back to another video of my channel. So I hope from my recent community post and from the thumbnail of this video you know that I'm currently at Singapore to attend ICLR International Conference for Representation Learning. So I have a couple of paper actually. One paper is in the main conference and another one is in a workshop. So this video is about what's happening in ICLR 2025. So I am trying to give you a brief detail about what all is happening in a A-star machine learning conference. So I'm currently staying in a hotel at Singapore. So this is a Holiday Inn Express. So from here it will take 1 hour to reach the conference venue. Conference is happening in Singapore Export Drive. So currently the time is around 8:45 in the morning. Now I'll be leaving for the conference. And today is 24th of April and conference will be happening till 28. So I have my paper presentation. It's a poster actually tomorrow, but today I'll be attending few talks. In this video it will be a kind of summarization of the 5 days. So I'll try to give you what all things are happening in ICLR 2025. So if you want to know detail about it, please stay tuned. And before starting the vlog, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. And at the end of the video, please like the video and share with other people. So let's start the vlog. So I am staying at Holiday Inn Express. It's actually in the kind of middle of the city. So this place is quite good, but it's a bit expensive. So we have complimentary breakfast. So first I'll do breakfast, then I'll come back and then I'll go to the conference. So today I have just taken this. So from my hotel to the Singapore Expo where the conference is happening, there is a direct bus. So that's why I'm taking bus. There is no direct metro connectivity. So I have to change metro 2 or 3 times to reach there. So that's why I'm preferring bus. And bus, is the cheapest option in Singapore. The second is metro, and the most expensive one is through cabs. So if you take cab, it will take around 20 to 25 Singapore dollar from here to Expo. If you take metro, it will take around 1.5, and if you take bus, it will take 1.15 or 1.2. And that is my bus. This is Singapore Expo where the conference is happening. So this is one of the halls where poster session and the promotional activity is going on. So this side there are different outlet of different companies, and this side there are few posters that is being added. And leave it across a bunch of Come on. So here there is a stall or outlet from Jump Trading. They have a promotional strategy. They are giving free drinks. You can take wine also, coffee, tea, bubble tea, everything. They are selling it free for last 3 days. So all the crowd are there to have their drinks. It's really good. The quality of coffee is really good. I'm missing tea and I'm a tea lover, so that Kolkata tea I'm missing badly. But yeah, coffee is also good. The second day of the conference, and today I have my poster presentation. The session is from 10 a.m. to 12:30. So yeah, excited about presenting my posters to the audience. Let's see how many people turns up to the poster session. I hope there will be a engaging discussion about the paper. And here is my poster. So I have put my poster. Now the time is 9:30. The poster session will be starting from 10 o'clock. So I am very excited to present my poster at ICLR. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it about my journey at ICLR 2025. So 5 days conference is finally over. 3 days conference and 2 days of workshop. I have tried to show you the glimpses. It's not possible to show you everything because there are a lot of things is happening. But yeah, I hope I have shown you all the things that happened in A-Star conferences. So let me know your feedback, how you like it. And if you have any question or query regarding this A-Star ML conference or in general about ML research or something, you can know me in the you can comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other people. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. That's it about this video. I'll be moving towards Changi Airport to catch my flight. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.